welcome back to my channel. I am Ganesh studying BE first year computer science in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's subject we are going to study is about introduction to mechanical engineering, and the main topic is machine tool operation. Introduction to machine tool operation. Definition. Machine tool operations are critical in the manufacturing industry. They involve cutting, shaping and forming operation and rely on precision and accuracy like on lathe machine. Applications and industries. Machine tool operations are used in various industries such as automotive, aerospace, medical and consumer goods. Types of machine tools. Lathe machine. It is a machine tool used for shaping and cutting workpieces. It rotates a workpiece while a cutting tool is moved in a linear motion to remove material. Milling machine. A machine tool used for cutting and shaping solid materials. It removes material by rotating a multi-point cutting tool. Drill press. A machine tool used for making holes in materials. It has a drilling tool that rotates and applies a downward force. Grinding machine. A machine tool used for finishing workpieces. It uses an abrasive wheel to remove material from the workpiece. Fundamentals of machine tool operations. First, cutting, shaping and forming. Machine tool operations include various cutting, shaping and forming techniques to create complex workpieces with high precision and accuracy. Second, material remove process. It is a process during which material is removed from a workpiece to create the desired shape and the size. Various methods such as drilling, cutting are used to remove the material. Third, precision and accuracy consideration. Machine tool operation must be precise and accurate to create perfect workpieces. Next, we are going to learn the lathe machine. A lathe is a machine tool that processes metal by rotating the material to be processed and applying a blade to cut into a cylindrical shape. For a simple example, imagine peeling an apple. It is like peeling an apple thinly with a knife while slowly rotating the apple. The apple is the material, the rotating device is the spindle, and the knife is the cutting tool. So, lathe is a machine that presses the cutting tool against the rotating material while moving it parallel to the main axis, cutting it to form a cylindrical shape. What does it process? A lathe is a machine tool that specializes in processing cylindrical shapes. It is mainly used to process cylinders and cones. In addition, it can also perform drilling and screw machining. To give you an idea of what kind of parts lathes are used to process, most of the products we are familiar with use parts processed by lathe machine. Automotive parts, aircraft parts and many more. What kind of processing can be done? The process design is to define what kind of cutting tools is used in lathe, the processing method and the processing order. The machining is done by changing the tool and moving it in accordance with the process order. Next, machine configuration of lathe. A lathe consists of four main parts, mainly the first, the bed, spindle, turret and tailstock. Briefly, the main spindle holds the material and rotates it. The turret, where the tool is attached, moves to shape the part to be machined. The tailstock supports the long workpiece. Finally, the bed is the base on which the three platforms are mounted. In the case of NC lathes, the basic configuration is the same and the NC device and operation screen are also included. First part is bed. The bed is the foundation of the machine that supports the spindle, turret and tailstock. If the bed is weak, the spindle and turret mounted on it will be deformed during the movement, making it impossible to perform accurate machining. Therefore, the design is made with latest technological capabilities such as material selection and structure design. Second, headstock, which is also known as spindle. Along with the bed, the bearing configuration and balancing of the spindle as well as the rigidity of the headstock are also important factors in machining accuracy. Third, carriage. The carriage is the table on which the tool post is mounted on the base, the longitudinal direction on the bed. It consists of a cross slide, a compound rest and feed table and a tool post. Tailstock. The tailstock is a platform mounted on the bed opposite the headstock and has a structure that can be moved in the longitudinal direction. It is used to support the workpiece. How the lathe machine works in turning. It is the most common type of operation in all lathe machine operations. Turning is the operation of removing the excess material from the workpiece to produce a cylindrical surface to the desired length. The job held between the center or a chuck and rotated at a required speed. Lathe operation while facing. Facing is the process of removing metal from the end of a workpiece to produce a flat surface. The workpiece rotates about its axis and the facing tool is perpendicular to the axis of the lathe. Most often the workpiece is cylindrical, but using a four-jaw chuck you can face rectangular or odd-shaped work to form cubes and on non-cylindrical shapes. Lathe operation in thread cutting. It is the important operation in the lathe to obtain the continuous helical grooves. When the threads or helical grooves are formed on the out surface of the workpiece is called external thread cutting. The workpiece is rotating between the two centers. Live center and dead center are the two centers. Here the tool is moved longitudinally to obtain the required type of the thread. Next, working principle of lathe machine. The lathe is a machine tool which holds the workpiece between two rigid and strong support called centers. The cutting tool is rigidly held and supported in a tool post which is fed against the revolving work. The cutting tool may also be fed at an angle relative to the axis of working for machining tapers and angles. The guidelines. Personal protective equipment. Operations must wear appropriate PPE such as goggles, earplugs, and gloves to protect against hazardous conditions and prevent injuries. Machine guarding and lockout. Machine guards and lockout procedure must be in place to protect against accidental contact with moving parts and prevent unauthorized access. Safe operating practices and maintenance. Next topic is innovation in machine tools and future trends. Automation and robotics in machining. Automation and robotics are transforming the manufacturing industry. Additive manufacturing and 3D printing in mechanical engineering. Case studies and success stories. Industry example automotive. Benefits of automotive are improved efficiency, reduced cost and lead times, and increased precision by utilizing advanced machine tools. Aerospace enabled complex geometries and reduced waste and weight by utilizing additive manufacturing and 3D printing technologies, and in medical field improved patient outcomes and reduced cost by utilizing precision machining. Next, conclusion. Machine tool operations are essential in mechanical engineering and are used widely in various industries. The safety guidelines and best practices must always be considered while performing machine tool operations. Lastly, thank you for watching this video. Please watch the full video and like it. Thank you.
Down, down.